Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cook this tomato seafood soup in Heartopia. So in this Call of Wheels event, there are new special food that you can cook, and one of them is this tomato seafood soup. And to cook this soup is very easy. First, you just need to go to your tidal stove in here, but first you need to craft this stove first. You can just click my tutorial in Heartopia playlist if you haven't new to craft this stove, and then after that just choose this tomato seafood soup. You can get this recipe from NPC Massimo, and then after that just complete the ingredients in here. You just need common prawn, and then tomato and glasswort and wheat that you can get it from the gardening hobby. And for the common prawn, you can get it from easy. You can fish it at the easy. And then for the glasswort, you can farm it. You can collect it from the Whalefall Canyon map. And then after that, after you complete all the ingredients, just cook it in here, cause cause I run out of my common prawn and tomato. I will replace it with universal ingredients like this. And then I just start cooking. And just like that, you will successfully cook this tomato seafood soup. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.